Good morning, students. You are most welcome in my YouTube channel SKG Tutorial Online Classes. Today I will teach you chemistry for class 9th, chapter 1, matter in our surroundings. Dear students, in our surrounding there are different type of matter. As we see, we drink water, we inhale oxygen gas, we excrete carbon dioxide gas, we use ice, and there are many substances around us like chair, plastic, pencil. These are objects which are made up of any substance. So we have to first explain what is matter. Matter is a substance which has mass and occupies space. For example, this is a pen. If we put this pen in my hand, then this object will occupy some space and has some mass. Because this pen is made up of plastic, and each and every particles of plastic has mass and occupies space. So matter has a substance which has mass and occupies space, and every matter is made up of particles, that is called atom or molecules. If the matter is element, then it is made up of same type of atoms. If there is any compound, then it is made up of same type of molecules. Means molecules are made up of same type of atoms. If we have to describe how particles of matter look like, what are the characteristics of particles of matter, then we say particles of matter are very small in size. मैटर के पार्टिकल्स साइज में बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं. Particles of matter have some inter-atomic space between them. मैटर के पार्टिकल्स के बीच में कुछ स्पेस होते हैं. These particles are continuously in motion. मैटर के जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वे लगातार मोशन में होते हैं. They attract each other. यानी particles attract each other. For example, you see there is a glass which is made up from glass material. At this time it is a solid. When we put water in it, then this is a water molecule, water which have some space between them. If we mix one spoon sugar in it, then after mixing with water, the level of water will not increases because the amount of this sugar is dissolved in water, and the particles of sugar is go in the interatomic space of the hydrogen molecules. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में जो स्पेस है वहां पर शुगर के पार्टिकल्स डिसॉल्व होकर समा गए, घुल गए, जिसकी वजह से डेंसिटी तो कुछ बढ़ गई लेकिन इसका वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ. Then question arises, why the level of water not increases? Because sugar particles are dissolved in water and go into interatomic space of the water molecules. I say particles of the matter are continuously in motion. यानी मैटर के पार्टिकल्स लगातार मोशन में होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी मिक्स एनी कलर इन लिक्विड, देन वी सी, इफ वी मिक्स एनी कलर इन दिस लिक्विड, देन वी सी दिस कलर इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम टॉप पॉइंट टू बॉटम पॉइंट continuously. This will dissolve, diffuse continuously. This is the continuously motion of that particle. Dear students, there are many characteristics of particles of matter. You have know successively in my lecture. There are physical classification of matter on the basis of state. There are 3 state of matter on the basis of state. अवस्था के आधार 3 स्टेट हैं: सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस. सॉलिड मीन्स ठोस, लिक्विड मीन्स द्रव, गैस मीन्स जो वाइपर के रूप में रहे. जैसे मैंने कहा कि पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सॉलिड्स हैव very less interatomic distance, interatomic space. You can see these figures here. Interatomic distance, interatomic space is minimum. Liquid have some space, but gas have more space between their particles. This is ice, which is solid. Water is in liquid form. Gas, water vapor, you can say steam. There is a 3 form of liquid. Water is found in 3 state: solid, liquid, gas. This is ice, which is present in solid form. Water in liquid form. Water in gaseous form. Water vapor in gaseous form. Instead of water, there are many examples of solid, liquid and gas. We can say stone is solid, milk is a liquid, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, these are in gaseous form. Dear students, now we have to differentiate, classified. What are the differences between solid, liquid and gas? Solid, liquid, gas में क्या अंतर है? आइए देखते हैं. Solid substance have definite shape and definite volume. Solid substance का definite shape होता है, definite volume होता है. यानी उनका आकार और आयतन निश्चित होता है. जिस बर्तन में रखे जाएंगे उसका वो आकार, जिस बर्तन में रखते हैं जैसा इनका क्रिस्टल होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग, यानी इनका डेफिनेट शेप होता है. लिक्विड हैव इनडेफिनेट शेप बट डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम. लिक्विड का शेप इनडेफिनेट होता है, अनिश्चित होता है, और वॉल्यूम डेफिनेट होता है. वॉल्यूम डेफिनेट होता है. यानी लिक्विड का जो शेप है जिस बर्तन में रखेंगे उसका आकार वो ग्रहण कर लेगी, उसका आकार ग्रहण कर लेगी. और जबकि वॉल्यूम उसका कांस्टेंट होता है. यानी जिस बर्तन में रखेंगे, सपोज करिए कोनिकल कंटेनर है, देन द लिक्विड हैव शेप ऑफ कोनिकल डिजाइन. इफ दैट लिक्विड इज kept in circular container, spherical container, then it take the shape of spherical container, but volume is same. It means 100 ml of water becomes 100 ml. either we put in conical container or we put in spherical container. But gas have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. गैस का दोनों चीज अनिश्चित होता है. Particles of solid are very closer, so they have very less interatomic space between them. But liquid have some space between them. In gas, particles are very far from each other. Dear students, so we have to know one by one. Solid have definite shape and definite volume. Solids have very closer particles. It means the particles of solids are very close to each other, so they have very less interatomic space. And force of attraction, density and melting point are more than liquid and gas in solid. Intermolecular space, compressibility and rate of diffusion is very less in solid. सॉलिड के जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनके बीच में इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस बहुत ही कम होता है. कंप्रेसिबिलिटी, हम सॉलिड को बहुत कम कंप्रेस कर पाते हैं. एंड रेट ऑफ डिफ्यूजन इज वेरी लेस, यानी सॉलिड सब्सटेंस का डिफ्यूजन बहुत कम होता है. देयर आर मेनी एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सॉलिड, आइस, स्टोन, चेयर एंड सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स. Now we have to discuss liquids have indefinite shape but definite volume. It means liquids को अगर हम किसी बर्तन में रखते हैं तो उसका आकार ग्रहण कर लेगी, लेकिन उसका वॉल्यूम फिक्स रहेगा. The particles of liquid have some space between them. It means particles of liquid have some space due to which it can flow from one place to other place. Like when we pour water on the floor, then it can flow easily, but solid cannot flow easily. Solid cannot flow. Force of attraction, density and melting point are moderate. It means these properties are less than solid and more than gas. सॉलिड की तुलना में लिक्विड डेंसिटी कम होती है, लेकिन गैस की तुलना में लिक्विड की डेंसिटी ज़्यादा होती है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, intermolecular space, compressibility and rate of diffusion is moderate. It means these properties are more in liquid than solid. Yani we can compress liquid. Liquid have some intermolecular space. It can be compressed, and rate of diffusion is more than solid. Dear students, there are many examples of liquid. We can see water, milk, blood. LPG gas and CNG gas is really gas, but in the cylinder these gases are compressed or liquefied into a liquid form. Now we have to discuss about gas. What is gas? Gas have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. गैस का शेप और वॉल्यूम दोनों ही इनडेफिनिट होता है, अनिश्चित होता है.